Alright, so I'm not sure if I ever filmed the exact same this version. I make so many different um, cold and warm couscous, mostly cold. I did do a cheesy couscous. I didn't upload that video yet. But right here is just some organic romaine. It's actually store-bought, so is the cucumber. And then there should be red bell pepper, I think, in there. That's also from the store. That's organic too. I do grow my own stuff the last 2 years. Give you a quick view. This is just like mostly the strawberries and stuff. There's some things down there, celery and peppers. There's a tomato plant growing. There's a whole bunch of stuff within the house on these racks. And it's really fun and everything, but I have so many other plants and the strawberries took up so much space that I'm not able to replenish things time and time again, you know what I mean? So I still have to buy from the store. There's an organic navel orange in there, and the chicken looking stuff that looks like not raw chicken but slightly cooked chicken, that's jackfruit, and that was just slightly sauteed with some olive oil and some salt and pepper, and that was it. And then it was mixed in with the couscous. There's sage that I have, that I just showed you, that I grew. That's in there, and green onion that I grow. That's in there, and the oranges. And it comes out and it tastes really beautiful. And then once you put it over the lettuce, you just mix it up. There's no cheese or anything on this one. Well, I did do a cheesy pasta, and I did a cheesy chicken pasta, warm, obviously, and melted it in and everything. I didn't put it over salad. You'll see it when I upload that video, but I know I've done stuff with orange before, but I'm not sure if I did orange chicken or just orange couscous. So here, camera's showing a little bit better now. Anyway, if you're not familiar with jackfruit, look it up, buy a can of it, organic, non-GMO. Make sure it says young. That means it's not mature, and it's a fruit. So obviously, if it was mature, it wouldn't look like that. Anyway, it's great for tacos, for chicken cutlets, for sauteed chicken in soup. Like, matter of fact, I got a really nice soup being made right now, broth and everything made last night, with the couscous and peppers and onion and parsley and some other stuff. And I'm going to make some more of this right here and throw it in the soup. That works out real good. Crab cakes, chicken cutlets. I've breaded them in flour. I breaded them in artesian bread mix, which is kind of yeasty. It doesn't have yeast in it, but for whatever reason, it's kind of yeasty. I like that the best. And I fried them in the pan like that. I've done them in a pot of oil, like a chicken nugget. You can do that kind of stuff too. I've done ribs with it too, like you put it together and then you make barbecue ribs with it. What else have I done with it? I can't remember. There's a lot of good things to do with it. Anyway, this is just a nice cold salad. The sage and the orange go really well. The onion, the chicken. And you know what I think I have on this? I think I did this one with mayonnaise. I think I did this with vegan mayonnaise. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it has vegan mayonnaise in it. You can do it without vegan mayonnaise. It still works really good fresh like that. But I just wanted to show the chicken, the orange, and the sage. It comes out really, really nice. All right, lots of love to you. Bye-bye.